Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And as you can see, we're in a village from where you can get the claws. It's right over up there. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about on how you can go fishing, and because honestly, selling fishes will give you a lot of money. You can even earn up to 300 in-game currency from just one fish. So as you can see, this is where the grandpa is. So once you're done, as you can see that guy with the orange hair that's written 400 meters, you want to head all the way over to him. So he's the guy that you can sell the fishes to. So as you can see, I'm just running. And once I'm here, if I talk to him, he's gonna ask, sell me fishes. See, $300 from 300 in-game currency from one fish. So in order to fish, you will need to purchase a fishing rod. But the thing about the fishing rod is it's 2,500 win. So you will have to grind a lot of money. As you can see, I only have 500 win on me. And after you get a fishing rod, just head over to any water source and just even if it's over here, just use your fishing rod here, just like how you would with a sword or something like that, and you would just get fishes. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.